All right, guys, so I'm standing on a standing seam job and it is absolutely beautiful. I've been roofing my entire life. I grew up in roofing, so we know the details, the things that really matter, and that's what we're gonna get to. We're gonna show you the details on a metal roof system and why they're important and why you need an expert when it comes to metal. Just an exceptional job. We're talking about a homeowner that was really concerned about roofing companies, was really kind of skittish at the front end of the deal, and we told her, you're in good hands, you're in good hands, and she sure was. They came through on this job. It looks amazing. Like I said, there's so many roofing companies out there now, but they're just really marketing companies. They know nothing about roofing. This is a real roofing company, been doing it 65 years, but what makes us good is the people that put the roofs on. We know how to pick them, we know how to teach them because we know roofing. We're the owners of the company and we know how to roof. We have the largest repair division in the state. Why do we have that? Because we're experts at what we do. So I'm going to show you this area. It's got a lower slope area to it with a lot of water coming into it, just a really high potential area of leak. So there you go. It's kind of hard to tell with the different light shades that come in here, but it's just a really odd design on a house. It's all cut up and turned around. And what we did is our main goal was to make this so this homeowner never has an issue. Lifetime roof needs to be lifetime everywhere in the roof, not just on the panels, but all the way around. So what we did is we built a fin on the side flashing here. I'm going to show you why we do that. If you come around to this side, this is where your problematic area is. This is your highest chance of leak in the corners. So you get a lot of expansion, contraction, and those corners can split open and have issues in there. So what we did is we built a fin that carries all that heavy water around your problematic area. Turned out amazing. So here's our flashing that runs down the wall. So we actually came in here, took this panel off, and then we ran this up behind it and peel and sticks behind there. So you can see what that looks like. So everything's lapped properly. We even had to come in here and change out some of this hardy board that need to paint it yet because we felt like it could leak and get behind our panels, and we didn't want the homeowner mad and it not even be a roof leak. So you can kind of see how this roof turned out. All right, we're gonna shoot to this solar fan because this is super important. I see there's a company in town here that literally has a solar fan installed wrong on a metal roof on their home page of their website. Here's how it should be done. Right here is a solar fan. We built a pan where this goes underneath the ridge cap. So water runs downhill and around. We actually have a pan underneath this too. So we don't just cut a hole out and then caulk it. It actually has a way designed that the water's gonna run over and out. You don't see that in roofing. Why do you not see that? Because we just don't see expert roofers anymore. And that's why we have the largest repair division in the state of Florida. We're fixing roof leaks that we shouldn't have to fix, that should have been right first. Just a beautiful, beautiful looking roof. I'm so proud of our guys. I can tell you at the end of the day, it all matters on the guys that install. You can have great products, but if you don't have great installers, you're not going to be successful. One of the things that we found here at Eustis Roofing is we have to get the best installers, and we have to train them, hold them accountable, and really let them know that this is important to us. The way that you put the roof on is important to us. How you put your efforts in your daily job is important to us, and we make sure that we gratify those guys for the things that they do, and this is the kind of work that we get by doing that. We're not just out hiring some subcontractor crews that we don't even know, never even met them before, and then don't use them the next week, and then maybe the next week, or then another roofer uses them. We actually hire guys and give them a job for the lifetime of their life. However long you want to work here, we're going to give you a job as long as you stick to our values and our culture and you understand what we're trying to do. So we bring the families in. We actually provide health care. We're not your normal roofing company. What we usually see is roofing companies provide all these great things for their sales guys, their office staff, but the guys that put the roof on get nothing. We want really good customers that are really happy with us, and the way to do that is to take care of the guys that put the roof on. They're offered the health care. They come to our Christmas parties. We share the culture with them. They are part of the family. That's how you become successful.